everyone, welcome back to your channel Technology Incredible. Today we will solve problem number 869 from the Leetcode, that is reordered power of 2. So in this problem we have to reorder the input integer, and we have to check that after reordering that integer, do we get any number which is a power of 2. Okay, if we get any number which is a power of 2, then we will return true. Okay, else we will return false. So this is the only this problem. So it's a medium level problem, and it's medium level because of the complexity. How we can reduce the complexity? So by looping it can solve easily. Okay, but by brute force the time complexity will be very large. So how we can improve its complexity? uh, that's why I think it's a medium level here. So let's see the problem. You are given an integer and we reorder the digit in any order including the digits of the original order. Okay, the original order also we have to consider such that the leading digit is not 0, and the second thing they have mentioned is the first digit of the reordered number should not be 0. In the end we have to return true if we get any number that is a power 2 after reordering, or the original number. If the original number is itself a power of 2, then also we have to consider the original order, so we will return true. And if by reordering that number we get the power of 2, then that will be also fine. Else if we can't get any number which is a power of 2, then we will return false. So here are some input and some constant are given. Let's see that the first input is n is 1. Okay, there is only one digit, and we can't reorder it in any way. Okay, so 1 will also remain 1 only. So but next we will check that is 1 is a power of 2. Yes, 2 power 0 is 1, so here we will return true. If it's have been 6, then we have to return false in that case. Now here in the second example, n is 10. Okay, but 10 is not a power of 2, and by reordering this number in any means we can't get a number which is a power of 2, so here we will return false. Okay, and this is the constant that n will be from 1 to 10 power 9. So by using this we will improve the complexity. Let's see what's the problem by the example. These are the two examples. Is if n is this, okay, n is 46, then what we have to do? We have to reorder this number. So there are two digits, so we can reorder it. Okay, now it became 64. Is it a power of 2? Yes, it's power of 2. It's 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. Okay, so in this case we will return true. But here n is 10, and can we reorder it according to the input conditions? If we reorder it, then it will become 0 1. Okay, but here in the input they have mentioned that the first digit can't be 0, so we can't reorder it. And if it is 20 also, then we can't reorder it in this way. Okay, the first digit can't be 0, so this will be also invalid. So these are the two conditions. Now let's see this constant they have mentioned here is n is from 1 to 10 power 9. Okay, n is from 1 to 10 power 9. So how we can check that we have to reorder this? So okay, so what we will do here is, first if number n is given, then we will make a dictionary of those numbers. Like if it is 462, then we will make a dictionary that 4 came here one time, 6 came here one time, and 2 came here one time. Okay, 2 came here one time. Now what we will check is we are starting from a number, iterating from number 0, and we will go till the number is less than or equals to 10 power 9. Okay, let's see in code. You will understand better there what we are doing. First, we have the input integer n. We are converting it using the counter function, okay, which will return this dictionary of the input number. Now we are initializing two variables, number and I. This is the temporary number which we will check. If this number becomes greater than or equals to 10 power 9, this is the boundary condition. Okay, we are using this boundary condition. If it becomes greater than this number, then we will exit. Okay, but in between this number, if we will find a number which is a power of 2 and the dictionary value, we will check, we will find the dictionary value of that number too. Okay, and we will check that this input dictionary and the dictionary we have created from this number while iterating, if this has same values, key value pairs, then we will return true. Okay, else we will go up to next, go for next number, and every time we are incrementing this number by 2 power I. We are incrementing this I variable, and every time we are incrementing this number, updating this number by 2 power I. Okay, so this loop will run until this number is less than or equals to 10 power 9. When it reaches the boundary condition, it will return, and if in while iterating this loop, if we didn't go here, if we didn't found any number in between these numbers which have the same key value pair in the dictionary, then we will return false at the end. Okay, and in, if we found any number, then in at that time only we will return true from that. Okay, thank you.